Hey there, Starbizers! Welcome back to your daily dose of the glitz, the glam, and the raw truth behind the spotlight. Today, we are sending out our biggest waves of love and positive energy to one of the industry's most beloved comedians, Ate Gay, who just shared a crucial update on his health battle. Just over a week after joyfully announcing that his cancerous lumps had disappeared, Ate Gay revealed some tough news. During a recent hospital visit documented on his Facebook page, doctors discovered a brand new lump on his neck, right near his shoulder. Ate Gay was diagnosed with mucoepidermoid squamous cell carcinoma, a rare and aggressive type of cancer, back in 2025. But true to his fighter spirit, he isn't letting this new hurdle slow him down, reassuring everyone that his doctors acted immediately to treat the new growth. In his update, the comedian shared that he is currently undergoing CyberKnife treatment, which is a highly advanced robotic radiation therapy system designed to target tumors with pinpoint precision. He made sure to loudly thank his medical team and the angels who have been watching over him throughout this intense journey. And Starbizers, you know you can't keep a true performer down. Ate Gay confidently promised his fans that this setback won't drain his spirit, saying, "Di naman maapektuhan ang energy ko dahil dito. Pinapayagan nila ako mag-perform ng bonggang-bongga." His doctors have given him the green light to keep hitting the stage with full energy. Of course, a battle like this takes a village, and Ate Gay previously revealed that fashion icon Heart Evangelista has been one of the incredible people financially supporting his costly medical treatments. It is beautiful to see the showbiz community stepping up when one of their own needs it most. It takes immense strength to stay this positive when facing a roller coaster health battle, and Ate Gay's resilience is nothing short of inspiring. We think this transparency not only keeps his fans connected, but also shines a much-needed light on the realities of fighting rare cancers. What are your thoughts on Ate Gay's incredible attitude, mga ka-Starbiz? Drop your prayers and messages of support in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more of the hottest showbiz updates here on Starbiz. This is Sean, your Starbiz host, signing off.